see some, baby. Y'all know that county.
You end up buying these some in Texas, y'all.
Brad Picker coming back at you. I wanted to show y'all. I had these tools. Just wanted to let y'all know a little something about these tools. If you ain't got them, they're alright. I've had them now for about a year probably.